Hello friends, welcome back to Extrago India. Today I am showing you how to create a tool, means simple interest calculator tool online for study purpose. Okay, let's start. Open AI. AI means ChatGPT and write a prompt here. Write code for the for simple interest simple simple interest calculator. Use HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, font awesome. Right, body, head, and footer JS separately. Press the enter button. Okay, this is the tool. This is the tool. Okay, so here you go. Here you go. The first one is a head section code. Head section code. I will copy the code from here. Okay, this is the head section copied. I have copied the head section code, and now I will copy the HTML means body section code. This is the body section code, and the third one is JS code, bottom JS code. This one is the bottom JS code. Okay, so I will copy this also. I have copied all three items now. So let's go back to Extrago means okay. Open the browser. American company Google. Search here Extrago India. Click on the first link. Okay, now scroll down and click on login. If you already have an account, click on login, otherwise you can create your account here. Okay, so let's start the process. I will log in with my default ID password. Okay, need to type the captcha code 52940. Press the login button. Okay, okay, so click on the my website link. Okay, and scroll down. Go to tools.extrago.in. This is the website I have created for all online tools. Now I will go in pages section. Okay, pages section. I will create new page here. Create new page. Okay, page title will be simple interest calculator. Simple simple interest calculator. Page page name. Okay, page name simple interest SI calculator. SI calculator. यहाँ पे एक हाइपन दे देते हैं. SI calculator file will be saved as SI calculator.html means HTML extension will get this page will get the HTML extension. Okay, other things will be same already filled up. Click on the create button. Page edit successfully. Look here, page edit successfully. Now we need to find out the page where the page is located. Okay, scroll down until the page came. Okay, GST, BMI, EMI, SI, mile index, normal, footer, header, SI calculator. Yeah, this one, simple interest calculator. This is the page. Okay, so first I will click on the setting option and I will paste here the head section code. This is the head section code. Okay, uh, simple interest calculators. Okay, font away some link style body. We need to remove the body color tag here from here. Removed. Okay, and go to footer JS code. Paste the footer JS code here. Means this one, I think this one is this interval value correctly, let si ठीक है, yeah, this one, okay. Everything should be same. You don't need to change any other options. Press the update button. One more thing I need to do on the setting is that I have to copy the index file, head section code. So I will go on the index file, okay. Where is the index file? I will search for index. This is the index file. I will copy some CSS code from here and will paste on the page section, okay. I will copy this, copy it, okay. Close this and go to SI calculator, simple interest calculator page, head section. Click on the setting, paste at the bottom of head section. Yo, I think this is pasted double time. It is pasted. Copy paste issue. Looks like a copy paste issue here. Search for it. Style. Calculator. No. This is okay. Code is okay. Press the update button. This one, okay. Si calculator.html. Yeah. Now go to add and edit code option. Click on the plus icon. Paste the body section code here. Body section code. Body section code. I think this is the code. Simple interest calculator, exactly this one. Press the add button. Okay, now let's check the output. Go back, and SI calculator, this one, SI calculator.html. I will check the output from the view page option. Yeah, this one, Extrago tools. This is the header working properly, footer working properly, and Extrago online tools. Here you can calculate simple interest, principal amount. Simple interest 8.88, total amount 230.88. So this is the simple interest calculator. You don't believe that I have created this calculator in less than 3 minutes. In less than 3 minutes. This is a great tool. Nowadays AI is doing great work. Means AI is the first programmer for everyone, and I am the second programmer. The first programmer is AI. AI is doing everything. Extrago website is already created by me, so I have coded this last year. That's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, then try to contact us, and if you want any help from me, you can also contact from the website homepage. And if you need any if you want to support us, then uh, you can financially support our product by purchasing a plan. That's it, guys. Thank you.